Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Your car's key fob battery powers the fob that makes taking your car for a drive much more convenient. No matter which type you need, you can find a new key fob battery for your car at your local AutoZone.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Around 3 to 4 years. Every time that a driver wants to use their key fob, the battery will have to produce the electricity that is needed to power it. A key fob battery will usually last around 3 to 4 years before it will need to be replaced.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Most likely, if your car battery does not have enough charge, it will not be able to operate the solenoids which engage the locking mechanism. Your key fob is likely sending the signal to the car to lock the doors, but the car cannot lock the doors because of the fact that the battery is dead.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
If you are not mechanically inclined, visit your dealer. They should be able to change the key fob battery for you. Typically it doesn't take more than a few minutes. We checked with several dealers and the prices we got were within $10. A key fob doesn't need any programming if only a fob battery is replaced.
Take our lead.
How to reprogram a key fob. Replace the batteries inside the key fobs. Get inside the car. Turn on the ignition. Press the lock button on the remote key. Listen for a lock sound. Programming additional remotes. Turn off the ignition. Step out from your car and test the result.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Fobs generally use small, coin-shaped batteries like CR2025 or CR2032. You can usually find them at general stores, home improvement stores, and some auto parts stores. To find the specific type of battery yours uses, consult the owner's manual of Inspect the Fob and Battery for a label.
Take our lead.
While there are a few different reasons that a keyless entry remote might stop working, most of them are pretty easy to check yourself. The most common problem with these car key fobs is that the batteries just go dead over time, in which case replacing the battery should fix the problem.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.